guys, good morning, happy Friday. So I'm here to do a little quick thing for Junk Journal January. I'm going to do prompt 12 today, overlap. So I thought I would make a couple of tags to go in at my January journals, and this is something I often like to do with scraps of leftover papers. And I thought today, because there's sort of the feel of the journals being quite junk and dark, you know, a lot of dark papers, I've got these. I'm in the middle of working on a little German children's story, and these are gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous foxed papers from that. And I'm just going to overlap them, and it really gives a good effect. So I've got two tags here because we are working in smaller scale, which I do find tricky with my hands, but there we go, we'll have a go. I might need my scissors. The other thing, when I'm doing overlapping, I like to get these really grungy edges, because that gives a really nice look to the page. We've got some here with a bit of colour on it, and yeah, these are a bit tattered, but doesn't matter for this, does it? Because we've only got small tags, and it's a matter of layering up. So actual fact, I'd like to start with this at the bottom, I think. So just love that edging at the bottom, and it's a matter of playing around with it, really. So I hope you're all doing well. Here we are again, it's Friday. We seem to have quickly got round to Friday, don't we? Now, do I want a bit of text? And you don't have to have your text going all the same way. I've got a little bit of that. I'm just going to do a bit of playing around with the pieces till I've got something that I'm happy with. Now you see, that's got, I'm just gonna, yeah, I like that edge there. I'll put that piece on there. You end up with even smaller bits than you started with, but that's okay. I don't really, oh, that's better, a bit of blue actually. I didn't fancy that. And this has got, oh, it's all going wobbly now. Right, I'm going to put down what we've got already and then see how much space. Let's get a glue scrap paper. So we wanted it in that order. I mean, you can do it one at a time if you like. If you're doing a bigger tag, sometimes I'll just lay them one at a time so you don't forget where how you wanted it, unless you take a photo. But you could take a photo and look on your phone now you had it, but for me it's just easier just to, nothing much happening here in it's a crisp sunny day here in Nottinghamshire. Nelson went for his jabs yesterday, so feeling groggy he was last night, bless him. That. And of course you can keep ripping it down till you get, you know, a little edge that you like. And it's a good way of overlapping your scraps. really. I think we need... Now I've got some bold writing here. Do I want a bit of bold? No, it's too bold. Got some numbers here. Right, so we'll just... It's lovely for ripping, this paper. It's really old, but it's got some nice heft to it, so it's easy to... The thing with this as well, that you can have the idea of texture as well without having anything really bulky. So we'll leave that one for the minute there. I've got smaller scraps than I had before. There we go. See how lovely that really ripped edge looks on there. Put this next one down. And lastly, what do I want? Do I want some numbers at the top of there? Now I like this. So in actual fact, you know, you can have papers that haven't got anything written on them, but they've got some interesting edgings on it. There we go. See, we've got twice as many scraps as we started with. Okay, let me fold that down. So there we have our overlapped tags. Now, I did in actual fact, been doing a sort out, and I haven't used my stamps for ages, and I found these two stamps, and I didn't know whether, now because that's got blue on it, I think that would go nice there, and that would go nice there. Let's put those on. I haven't used my stamps for ages. It's one of those that, you know, if you can't see your stuff, you don't use it, do you? There. And then, and again, this is classed as overlapping because you've got several layers, and yeah, put that there. And then I'd also got these washes that I've recently got. There's quite a bit of red and orange, isn't there, in that? That's the colour. We'll try these two. So I just thought we'd put a little bit, overlap some washi on it when I can find the end. Oh, it's always the same. Where is the end on that? It's there. Well stuck down. Right, let's see. I want to put that around the corner there. Might not use that bit. Let me unfurl that one. That actually, I could put that on a scrap. Right. Lovely. Can you see how simple they are? They've not taken us any time at all, have they? But look how effective they are, just because you're overlapping. Right, I've got some twine here, which I thought went with the... went with the rustic feel. It's got me wanting to make more now. You know what I'm going to be doing, don't you? Having up bits of papers and things on tags. There we go. Right, I have put a clip in where I thought, yeah, it would go. So I've got this little pocket here, and I thought Natural England. Wow, that'll go lovely there, won't it? Okay, I'm just going to put my clip back because I'm going to photograph those. And where is my page in here? So that's that one. And then this one, we've got this little window envelope there, which I thought that would go in there. Yeah, I like that in there. So there we have it. I'll put them on there. They'll be easy to photograph, won't they, on top of there. So that's my little video for today. Short and sweet. And we've done overlapping there for the prompt number 12 of Junk Journal January. And I'll see you next video. Take care. Bye for now.